Yeah, hi, hello everyone. So in this video we will learn to create a Docker file, and using that Docker file we will create an image, our custom image, and then pull we will try to create a Docker container using that custom Docker file. Okay, so let me show you that where we are right now. So we are in the public directory of the root folder, right? Root home directory. So first of all it is empty, right? So we will create a Docker file, right? So this is our Docker file. So using Vim editor we will edit it. So first block is like mention here from git repository. Okay, so we want to install the Ubuntu, and that is also the latest one, right? So you can also mention the version here also. So from git repository we will pull okay, we will pull Ubuntu image, which should be latest. Okay, we will pull the latest Ubuntu image from the GitHub repository. Then from there uh, we want apt get update. Okay, the system should be updated. Okay, right? Then also we want to install open ssh client, right? And open ssh server, right? Open ssh server. So guys, after we have completed the pull of the Ubuntu image from the GitHub repository, right? Then we will tell to the Docker engine that we want to update this container. So inside the container this command will be run, right? So using the run command we will execute this. It will update the newly running container, Ubuntu container. It will update in all the system. Then it will install the open ssh client, right? And then it will install the open ssh server, right? So after doing all of this, what we will do, so then we will create Oracle user, right? We will create an Oracle user. Then what we will do, we will change the password of the Oracle user using the change password command, right? So after doing all of this, this is a normal Docker file content, right? So using this from command we will pull the latest Ubuntu image, Docker image. Then using this run command we will execute these commands inside the Docker container, right? So all this first the Docker Ubuntu container will update its packages. Then we will install the OpenSSH client inside the Docker container, Ubuntu Docker container. Then we will install OpenSSH server inside the Docker container. After that we will create an user which is Oracle. Then then what we will do, we will change the password of the Oracle user, okay, inside the Docker container. Okay, after doing that everything is done. So this is enough. What we will do, we will save this Docker file, right? So here this is our Docker file. Now now using the below command we will build Ubuntu Docker image. Okay, so for that Docker build -t, then give the name of the image you want to go live, then mention where is your Docker file. Okay, so we are in the same directory and our Docker file also is in the current directory. Okay, so just hit enter and it will start building the Docker file, right? So you can see this is all done. So in this way it will build the Docker image. Now how to check that the Docker image has been check whether Docker image build is successful. Okay, so for that using Docker image ls you can check it. Okay, so guys you can see here Docker you can see Ubuntu underscore go live has been successfully created and the size is 237 MB. Okay, you can see here, right? So it is successful. Now how to run. Okay, we will start. Okay, we will run the Ubuntu go live Docker container, right? So for that, use Docker run -d for detached. Okay, so it will -d is for the detached process in the background. Okay, it will run in the background. Okay, uh, then mention the repository name, right? And then mention sleep 5000 seconds. Okay, so now let's check it is running in the background or not. Okay, so you can see it is running in the background, right? So now what we will do, we will log in inside Ubuntu Docker container. Okay, so for that just use docker execute -u 0 -it, then container id, mention the bin bash. Okay, so this is the command and this is the container id. Using this we can log in inside the Docker container. Who am I? Okay, host name you can see here, right? The container id is the host name. Okay, so now guys, let me show you that etc host. Okay, so this is our host name. Okay, this is our host IP address. Now see whether OpenSSH is running or not. Status service SSH status, right? It is not running, so we will start it using this command. Now it is running, right? Now it is running. Now if you want to log in as another user inside Ubuntu Docker container, what we will do, docker execute oracle, okay, docker ps, 1 minute. Okay, docker execute -u oracle okay -it, then mention the docker container and then bin bash. Now you can see now we are successfully logged in as oracle user. It is a okay, you can see, right? Now let's try to log in using the SSH. Login inside oracle using docker container, right? Let's see, execute. etc host. Okay, just copy this, go outside. Okay, give the password, and here you can see that we are successfully logged inside the Ubuntu container, okay, using the SSH. So guys, this way we can do it, right? Host name, okay, OMI ID, okay, oracle, right? This is it. So this way guys we can do it, right? Now if you want to how to stop docker container, kill container or kill container, right? Docker ps, just see it here, copy the container id, docker kill container id. Okay, so this way guys you can kill the container, right? Now guys, what we need to do, first of all, if you want to clean the image, okay, so we need to remove the container from the history, okay, also history tab also. So using this we can remove it. Okay, now it has been removed. check it whether it is removed or not. So you can see it has been removed. Okay, now to remove the image, okay, docker image ls. Okay, so we can also remove the image, decor remove image. So now we will remove the image. Okay, docker image ls. Okay, now it has been removed. Okay, so this way guys, we can build a customized docker image, okay, using the Dockerfile. Then doing all this we can do it, right? Hope guys this